Here's how you could have got 24 points on yesterday with just 5.5 points of risk using Orderflow and auction market theory. So first of all, auction market theory, the context, right? So as you can see, this is 30-minute time frame, and on 30-minute time frame, that is the monthly VWAP right here that I have marked, right? And that is the weekly standard deviation low. This blue line is the weekly standard deviation low. And from FOMC yesterday, we had balanced range right here, and FOMC made the market imbalance, and we went below this weekly standard deviation low right here, this blue line, and then we snapped back, and then we started building balance again. So what does that tell you? That tells us that market does not want to trade lower compared to weekly standard deviation low. And if I can go to 2-hour time frame, that purple line is the monthly VWAP I have marked right here, right? Monthly VWAP 7529 whatever. And again, see, FOMC took market below monthly VWAP and it snapped back to fair value. So that means market wants to trade in this range. It doesn't want to trade lower than that. So my idea was either I want to long somewhere up here, or I want to short somewhere up here. And why do I want to short somewhere up here? If I go to 5-minute time frame, and if I look at this volume profile, you see this balance range right here from yesterday before FOMC. Again, I've told you guys like a million times, okay, you do not mark volume profile in an imbalance market. So when FOMC does this crap, makes the market imbalance, that doesn't mean anything to me. But before that, it was very balanced, right? And that red line is the point of control, and that black line is the value area low. So either if I want to sort, that would be the most likely area, this pink zone between point of control and value area low of yesterday's session, because that's when market was previously balanced, right? That's when buyers and sellers agreed. And as you can see at market open, that's what market did, and then we came lower, but I didn't take that. Again, I was leaning longs because of we were here somewhere in this area to take a longs to the upside. And I can also show you how you could have taken these shorts, by the way. So if I go to 1-minute time frame here, right, at market open, right, we pushed higher into this pink zone. That pink zone is the same yesterday's value that I marked right here, right? And exactly at market open, as you can see, if I come to here, this is the footprint chart. As you can see, we have all this 783, 400 buyers up here that are trapped, right? And then market closes, it has 712 delta, and immediately next candle negative 1111 delta. So at my point of location, our value area high of the overnight session, in fair value of yesterday's session, I have all these trapped buyers and I have delta flip. I mean, that's the best thing you could ask for, right? But I didn't take that, obviously. So I waited to get longs, and market was